Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a new 2018 Boston Whaler 150 Super Sport. Give you a little spec information on the boat. The boat is 15 foot 4 inch overall, 6 foot 6 inch beam, has a draft of about 7 inches and weighs approximately 1,160 pounds with the engine included. Go through a few features on this boat. Start with the 60 Mercury. Great fit for this boat. Great for going out to the island, pulling up on a beach. Very easy to use, easy to operate. You have the bim top, stainless steel. You have the 19-gallon upgraded fuel tank. You have your seating area, which can be upgraded with helm seats, hinged, or the full bucket seats. At the dash, you have the Boston Whaler Super Sport dash plaque, which really sets it off nicely. Tachometer, built-in cooler that is removable, 12 volt, charge your phone, and all in the dash. As you move further forward, anchor locker, drains, good place for storage as well. And you see the stainless steel grab rails in the front and the back. Nav light on the front, of course. That's a quick walk around of our 15 Super Sport. Again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Our number is 910-256-8100. Look forward to seeing you soon.